Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know it's been a while, but wanted to come back to my favorite community and continue to share my love that I have for planners and all things productivity. This time, I wanted to share a new journey that I've been down on that has really helped me through the past difficult year and in general. See, in the past few years, I've begun to use the bullet journal method for not only productivity, but to help me gain more clarity and focus throughout my day. I'm so excited that I've been finally able to get my hands on the new bullet journal edition 2 after so many months of it being out of stock. I'm excited to open this thing and fill the pages with all my hopes and expectations for the year. In general, I'm deciding to take a brand new direction for this channel that will focus on productivity in the face of tackling multiple projects. Because I'm currently working on 2 jobs and I'm studying for a computer certification as well as trying to lose weight while battling an endocrine disorder. I want this channel to document how to put self-care at the forefront of productivity because the two do not have to be mutually exclusive. Also, it would help me become more accountable if I have people watching me and holding me accountable for all the goals that I want to reach. And also, I'd like to help others reach their goals. So I think we can work on this process together. So this is an exciting new chapter, and I hope you all enjoy going down this journey with me and that I can help others as well as the wider community put self-care as their focus. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox the Bullet Journal Edition 2. Before opening it, I just wanted to show where I got this from. It's coming from Leuchtturm, the Leuchtturm company in Germany. Invoice here that I've gotten from Deutsche Post. It came a few days ago, but I wanted to jump on and do a video before actually opening it and writing in it. And there will be a plan with me video scheduled in the coming weeks. So stay tuned for that. But here's the outside. The back just tells you a little bit about bullet journal, key features. You all know the dot grid and the pocket and the 3 bookmarks, which is great, and the pages, page number, and the famous Leuchtturm 1917. And great, so let's get this guy open here. Okay. That's a little tough to open. There we go. Okay. So it's gonna take down the band. And here is what Ryder Carroll, the person who created the bullet journal, he calls it the belly band. And he put the instructions, like the grid guide and everything, on this band. So you have this handy sheet, just a quick reference note of what the bullet journal is and the features and how to create one. Okay. And it just goes down what are the resources that they have on bulletjournal.com. They have blogs and different resources that you can check out, and articles on, and just the community in general. It's a very nice community too. A very nice bunch of people on Facebook. They also show how to get on the companion app. Okay. More features. very interesting quotes. And of course, yes, the pocket guide, the index pages, the stickers, future log, key page. You have wider margins now than the original. And you have an intentions page, which I was very excited about that because it's always good to state your intentions before even starting on a goal, because it kind of gives you a direction point for you to start down. So I think, you know, that's a very good feature that he's added this time. Okay. That's great. Okay, more. A thank you from the Leuchtturm company. More interesting information about Leuchtturm, which I found out means lighthouse in German. I don't speak German, but that's a very interesting fact. Okay, here's the outside. Okay, and here is the page guide, like how to set up your pages. And this is a very, very, very amazing enhancement that I feel like if, because I'm not a design person or an artist, this really helps me with creating my spreads and really cut down the time that I would need to draw out the different pages and spreads. So that's great. And here's a Venn diagram. Another good thing that I'm happy about, that the page, the paper weight is a little heavier. It's from 180 to now 120 GSM. So it should help with the bleeding, but I'll do a pen test in the future just to test it out. But it feels really, really nice and thick, and really feels like it will hold up well with any type of ink. So that's great. And here's the foil stickers, I believe. So you have numbers here, the dates, and also the months for the year, as well as these lightning icons and dots to help. You can take them off and put them on things like your phone or a water bottle to remind you to do certain things, just to make it more tangible, the bullet journaling method more tangible in the real world, like a real world application for it, which I think is amazing. And here is, and there's a pocket. Oops. And here is the bullet journal, just the guidebook, which I'm really so happy about this. It's so comprehensive, and it's just, you could just see the amount of love and attention that Ryder Carroll put into designing this. So I'm so glad that, you know, I was able to purchase this. I mean, I missed the first round in last December. It was sold out, and I wasn't able to purchase one for the new year. But spring is a time of new beginnings, so this will be my new year to start planning and begin my new year and my new bullet journal. So I'm so glad that I'm able to go down this journey with being productive. Well, not only being productive, but also making sure that self-care is not ignored and put in the forefront in achieving my goals this year, because I have a lot going, and I think writing some things down, especially when it comes to projects, will be very good. Of course, you have online and apps and things like that and calendars, and they're important too. But I think writing things down, getting your thoughts out, and actually showing through the year what are the things you're working on and the progress you're making, it will make all the difference. So I think I'm a big believer in having these two things in conjunction, both a written planner and journal, and both a digital planner and to-do list and calendar. So I'm so glad that you guys are with me today, and hopefully we can, come again together soon, and together to go through a plan with me. So for now, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with a plan with me. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend, and bye.